Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you how to integrate the PHP Intellisense and autocomplete in your VS Code editor. So if you want, if you are a PHP developer inside VS Code, you should have this extension installed. It's called as PHP Intellisense. So it will give you autocomplete and IntelliSense for all the PHP methods out there. This is the name of the extension. It's not the official extension, but this developed by this person. It's got almost 6 million installs. So first of all, just click on the install button to install this extension. As soon as you install this, now you will get the autocomplete and intelligence inside your PHP file. So let me open a simple PHP file. So now we will get all these autocompletes, as you can see. If you have a third-party PHP function, you will get all these autocomplete suggestions. Intelligence. This makes your life way more easier because you can't remember all the PHP method names. So this extension will save you a lot of time. It will show you these suggestions like this. You can see that all these methods name which will be there for you. So you should have this extension installed. If you are a PHP developer, simply install and activate this, and then it will give you all these suggestions that right here alongside with the print statement as well. You can see that printf, printer, all these different versions of the same method, but it will give you all these suggestions. And here you can actually boost your PHP productivity and also decrease the time in which you write your PHP code. So without this extension, let me show you what this happen. If I disable this extension and just try to write this code, so you will actually see how difficult is it. It is no longer showing me the suggestions. You'll see that. So this extension actually solves a lot of issues. So if you have the basic PHP extension, which comes, if I show you, so you should definitely have this extension, PHP Intelligence. Click on the install button. So this will basically add the basic intelligence which are required. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.